Okay, this is the problem. That's not an original light right there. I maneuvered lights around a little bit. Um, the lights, they are supposed to change colors, do all this different stuff. Now, after they've been on for about an hour or so, the system's been on, whatever effect I have will just stop and it'll just be white. And and then maybe an hour later it'll flicker or something. The switch doesn't seem to change anything about the lights anymore like it's supposed to. Um, there doesn't seem to be any effect at all for the switch. And that's only when it's in this situation. Other than that, it seems to be like when it's going RGB lights. Um, I mean, the lights are changing. The colors and all that stuff. I could switch through it just fine. When it goes white, the switch doesn't do anything. I end up adding these other lights. Um, this back in the and swapping because of the fact that it keeps doing this, and so I end up putting something else. The case is nice. The case is glass on the side, glass right here. Um, when these RGBs were working right, um, they're amazing looking. It's just a ring. You can see it from the side. You can see it right there, one sideways right there. Um, they initially come with a couple on the top and the one in the back, but I have a pump in it. But it's a good case. I just don't know. I think it's something with the controller. The little controller board is just a circuit board on its own, and it sticks with tape. And it's in this area of the case where there's not a lot of airflow to it. It's not in any kind of a housing like my lights back there have a housing for it and stuff. It's just a bare board, and it might be just getting hot and acting up. But you need to be aware that there are issues with the lights, doing that. But it's an $89 case, and it's a nice looking case. And if needed, if I need to change the lights out, unfortunate you have to. But if this is not a standard issue, this is just a fluke, then, and just getting hot for that little board, then that's one thing. But if this is what its control board does for, on all of them, then that really sucks, because they really look great when they're working right.